Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, how are you all? Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam. Yes, students, yesterday we have completed exercise 4.4. Now open page number 61, mental maths corner. Open your maths number line book. Open page number 61. Okay, so shall I start, students?
Yes, sir. You can start. Yes, sir. Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Student, open page number 61. Page number 61, maths number line book. So mental maths corner is there. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. So part A dash is a solid shape with the same number of vertex and edge. So here in this blank you have to write the name of the solid shape which have vertex, which have same number of vertex and edge. So tell me, students, which solid shape have same number of vertices and edges?
3D.
Yes.
Cone. 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 Cone.
Okay. Very good. So cone is a solid shape with the same number of vertex and edge. Okay. So we'll write cone here. Look at this one. This is like cone. Okay. How many vertex are there? Vertices are there? Only one. Vertex means corner. So only one corner is there at the top. Okay, this is the corner, one corner, and how many edges are there? Only one edge is there. Okay, this is circular edge. So same number of vertex and edge is there in cone. So we'll write cone here in this. Part B, a dash is a plane figure with three corners. So here you have to write the name of the plane figure which has three corners. Yes, students, tell me.
Triangle.
Very good, very good. So triangle is a plane figure, okay, which have three corners. Look here, this is a triangle, and how many corners are there? Three corners. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this question is asking which plane figure with three corners, a plane figure with three corners, a triangle. Okay, so we'll write here triangle. Spelling of triangle is triangle. Okay, now do question number 2. You have to count number of triangles in this figure. One figure is given. Okay, so you have to count number of triangles in this. So count it quickly. Yes, Aisha Shamim, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
How many triangles are there, beta, in this figure?
4, sir.
Only 4 triangles?
Yes.
Qudsiya,
Yes, sir.
how many triangles are there?
Sir, 3.
3 triangles. Aliza Iqbal Khan,
Yes, sir.
how many triangles are there?
Sir, only 3 triangles are there.
Only 3 triangles. Okay.
Yes,
Afshin. Yes, Afshin.
Yes, sir.
Tell how many triangles are there? Question number 2. How many triangles are there in the following figure? Yes, Afshin. Amanullah.
4 triangles, sir. Amanullah.
How many triangles?
4 triangles.
4
4
triangles.
triangles.
Afshin is also saying 4 triangles. So let's see how many triangles are there. Let's count. So one is this one, bigger triangle. Okay, 1, count with me, 2, this is second triangle. Okay, this one is third triangle, and this is 3 triangles are there like this. Okay, and look here, this is also a triangle, small triangle. 4 triangles. Okay, and one more triangle is also there. Look at the top. Here, this one is also a triangle. 5 triangles. Okay, so there are 5 triangles in this figure. Am I right, students? You can also
Yes,
count.
sir. Yes, sir.
Look at this. This is the figure. We have to count how many triangles are there. So one triangle, biggest one, okay, one. Then second one is this small one, okay, is also a triangle. This, okay, two triangles. Then this one is third triangle. This is the third triangle, okay, this one. Then fourth triangle is this one, and this small one is also a triangle. Five triangles. So there are five triangles in this figure, so we will write 5 in this box. Understood? You have to count all triangles,
Yes, sir.
all possible triangles you have to count.
Yes, sir. I have understood. Yes, sir.
If more triangles are there, you can tell me in this. Okay, so now let's move on. Question number 3. State the pattern followed in the given set of numbers. Okay. So this pattern, first one, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Yes, you have to tell the pattern in this, which rule it is following. Yes, tell me first part. Here you have to write a rule, okay, you have to tell which rule this pattern is following. You don't have to write number here. Who want to tell? Muhammad, unmute your mic. Yes, Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me which pattern is following here. Which rule? Tell me the rule. This pattern is following. First one. Yes, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75.
Sir, 15 gap is there. 15 gap.
Yes, what you can write here? You can write
90.
here. You can write skip count in 15s. In each time, the difference between two numbers is 15. Okay. If we add 15 in first one, we'll get the next number 30. Okay. If we add 15 in 30, we will get the next number 45. Then again add 15, we will get 60. Okay, so each time we are adding 15 15. Okay, so you can also write this pattern is following skip count in skip count 15s. Okay, skip counts in 15, or you can write the number also here. So the next number will be yes students, what will be the next number after 75? 90. Okay, so you can write 90 and after that you have to state the pattern, which pattern it is following. Skip counts in 15. Now look at the second one. 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Yes, what will be the next number?
27.
Beta 24 is there last. If you see the first and second, 12 then 15. So the gap between these two numbers is 3. Okay, difference is 3 in between two numbers. If we add 3 in 12, we will get 15. Okay, then add 3 in 15, you will get 18. Again add 3 in 18, you will get 21. Again add 3, you will get 24. Then again you have to add 3 in this. So 24 plus 3 will be 27. Yes. 27 beta, not 47. How 47 will come here? 12, then 15, 28, 18, then 21, 24, 27. Okay. So this pattern is following which rule? Skip count in threes. Okay. Here we are skipping 3 again and again. So you can write here skip count. Skip counts in 3. Okay. Each time we are skipping 3. 12, then skip 3, you will get 15. Okay, you will reach on 15. Skip again 3, you will reach on 18. Like this. Yes, understood students? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So student, this you have to write. Okay, because here we have to tell, we have to state the pattern of this, which pattern, which rule this pattern is following. We have to write that one. Okay, so first one is following skip counts in 15 and second one skip counts in threes. Okay, if you will not write this, you will not get marks. Now review time exercise. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First part, a cube has dash corners. So cube is a solid shape or plane shape? Yes, cube is a solid shape, or you can say 3D shape. How many corners are there? How many corners are there in cube?
8
Yes, how many corners? 8 corners are there. Okay, so we'll write 8 here in this. A cube has 8 corners. There are dash edges in a cuboid. So count how many edges are there in a cuboid. Your box is in the shape of cuboid. You can count the edges of your box. Yes, how many edges are there, students?
Sir, I have done this and the answer is 12. What was? Sir, I have
Very good, very good. So student, there are 12 edges in a cuboid. Edges I have already told what 12 edges. Okay. So now do C part and D part by yourselves. Part C, a dash has no edge and no vertex. So which figure has no edge and no vertex? You have to write the name of that figure. And in part D, a dash and a dash can roll and slide. You have to write the two shapes which can roll and slide. Okay. Aman Sharif and Fatima Suleiman, Afshin, Aisha Shamim. These girls have given correct answer. Yes, done everyone?
Sir, cone and cylinder. Sir, cone and cylinder.
Yes, very good. Now come on question number 2. Complete the table by observing the following things in your home. Complete the table. Table is given here, and by observing the following things in your home. Window. So observe window. Window is having which shape? You have to write the shape of the window, and you have to tell whether the window is 2D or 3D in shape. Okay. In first column you have to write name of the shape. Okay. And in second column you have to tell it is 2D or 3D shape. So complete it quickly. Yes, student, have you all done?
Yes, sir. No, sir. What?
Do it quickly.
No, sir. I have not done, sir.
Observe. Yes, student, tell me first one. What is the shape of the window? Yes. So the shape of the window is rectangular. Okay. You can write it here rectangle, and it is a 2D shape. Okay. Just we have to see the surface of that window. Okay. So write here rectangle. And you can write here 2D shape. Now 100 rupee note. Yes, students. Student, if your window is in square shape, so you can write square also here. Okay, in place of rectangle. If in your home square shape window is there, okay, so you can write square. And 100 rupee note is also in rectangular shape. Okay, so write rectangle here in second one also. And note is 2D or 3D, students? Yes.
2D.
Yes, it is also a 2D shape. Okay, rectangle is 2D shape. What about envelope? Laiba Khan, unmute your mic. Yes, students. Envelope, the shape of the envelope is? Yes, very good. So write rectangle in third one also, and it is also a 2D shape. Okay, and the last one is cornflakes box. Cornflakes box. Tell me quickly. No, beta.
Rectangle.
It is not a rectangular shape, beta. It is a solid shape. Cornflakes box. So it is in the shape of cube or cuboid. Yes, Aman Sharif.
Yes, sir.
Cornflake box is in the shape of cube or cuboid. Yes, other students can also tell.
Sir, cube shaping. There. Cuboid, sir, cuboid. 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 Sir, cuboid.
Yes, very good. Yes, it is in the shape of cuboid. So write cuboid in last one. And cuboid is 2D shape or 3D shape?
3D.
Yes, very good. It is a 3D shape. Okay, so you can write 3D. Now come on question number 3. On next page, page number 62. So in question number 3, follow the pattern and write the next two terms. So 3 terms are given here in this pattern, and we have to write 2 more terms. First one is, in first element, in first term, 2 D's are there, okay? DD, then EE, then FF, okay? So what will come next?
Sir, DD and that.
Yes. So this pattern is made up of letters, okay? D, DD, EE, FF, then after F what will come? G. So 2 times G we have to take. So we will take 2 times G, okay? Each letter is coming 2 times. DD, EE, FF, then 2 times we will take GG. Okay, after G what will come? H. Okay, so H also we will take 2 times. DD, EE, FF, GG, HH. Okay. In second one, letters and numbers also there. Okay. In second pattern, letters and numbers are there. So first one is Z1. Only one letter is given, Z. In each term, Z is given, Z, 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 Z. Okay. And with Z, what number? Yes, Z is following 1, then 3, then 5, then 7. Okay. So numbers are in increasing order. Okay. And all numbers are odd. 1, 3, 5, 7. So this is also skip count. Numbers are giving in skip count in 2s. Okay. In 1 you will add 2. You will get 3. Okay. In 3 you will add 2. So you will get 5. In 5 you will add 2. Then you will get 7. In 7 what will you add? 2 again. So you will get 9. So with Z, so first Z will come, then which number will come? 9. Okay. In 7 we will add again 2. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Then next term again we will take Z first. Then after 9 what will come, students?
Sir, 10.
No beta.
11.
Yes, 11 will come because this pattern is following skip count in twos. Okay. Z 11 will come. Okay. In 9 we will add 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. So complete this question number 3 till part F. Okay. Only share till question number 3. Now time is over.